Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain how to use OKX from mobile, that is, how to use it on your phone. And at the end of the video, there is a campaign where you can win rewards of up to $60 from OKX, which I will explain. I will explain how to download OKX on your phone, how to sign up, how to deposit money, how to trade, and what stop limit and limit market are. By the end of the video, you will have fully learned how to use the OKX exchange, and you can also win rewards of up to $60. Without wasting any time, let's move on to our video. Welcome back to my video, friends. I hope you are having a great day. How will we use OKX? I will explain that today. Right now, I have my phone in my hand and I'm on the App Store. I searched for OKX on the App Store. If you are using Google Android, you can also search for it on Google Play. In fact, I am writing the download links for both iPhone and Android in the video description. And friends, I downloaded and opened the app. Look, it says sign up or log in front of me. Since we are new, we press sign up. And we see a screen like this. Look, does it say you don't have an account below? It says sign up. We clicked on sign up. We selected Turkey as the region and accepted the terms. We press next and then clicked on confirm. Now this part is very important. For example, I will explain it in today's video. You need to enter this invitation code to win the $60 reward. In fact, we have a reward for existing users as well. I will explain that too. So being good at Refly is advantageous for you, of course. It is also advantageous for us. I have come here. I am writing my email address. Subscribe to the channel. I also gave my subconscious message from etsime.com. And then, friends, I clicked on sign up. I filled out this puzzle. Now a code has come to my account, guys. I'm entering it. I pressed forward on 506-192. It asks you to enter your phone number here. You enter your phone number and verify your account. Since I already have an account, I cannot verify it using the phone number. But that's all for now. You enter your phone number and verify your account. Now, we have also entered your phone number in the previous section. It prompted for a password. We logged in. Our account is open. When you first open it, you see this screen. Now, you need to verify. We need to perform identity verification. We now have a legal framework prepared regarding crypto. That's why we need to do identity verification. Click on the Perform Identity Verification section. Then, place your ID on the table. Take a photo. We turn the front, flip the button, and take a picture of the back. Then we look at the screen. We take a selfie. They are generally approved after about half an hour. If there is a delay, you can wait up to 2 days. But after 2 days, look at the customer service in the top right. You click on customer service, find out what the problem is, and resolve it immediately. It's very easy. It usually gets solved. Okay. We downloaded the OKX app, opened a profile, and completed identity verification. What do we need to do to use an exchange? Of course, we need to deposit money. Now, we are going to deposit money, friends. By the way, you can see the OKX referral code that I just mentioned on the screen now. You can enter it, but if you are entering it from the web, there is a discounted link in the video description. You can benefit from that as well. Now, I will deposit Tether in the assets section. I said to invest in crypto. Here, I selected USDT. As for A, I chose Tron A. I am copying my address. Look, there are 3 things you need to pay attention to when making a money transfer. The coin itself. I will transfer USDT. Now I will switch to Binance. I will show it from there. 2 A's. Which A am I using? I need to select the same A on both sides. I am using the Tron TRC20A. I need to confirm the 3 addresses. We need to check all the letters one by one and the numbers one by one. Now think of it as transferring money from the same IBAN. You can send money to a friend using the IBAN. I copied this address. Now I will send from Binance. I have arrived at Binance. I am in the wallet section. I clicked on Withdraw and I selected USDT. I said send via crypto. I came to the address. I pasted it here. Which address? Trona. How much will you send? Let's say you will send $100. It will deduct a $1 commission. So let's send a $101. And I press withdraw. I confirm, guys. Now my money usually takes less than 1 minute to transfer from Binance. It has just moved to OKX. I sent money from Binance to OKX, but this money is sitting in my funding wallet. I don't find it logical for funding and trading to have separate wallets because it complicates many processes. I clicked on transfer. Transfer from funding to spot. Transfer USD from funding to trading. How much to transfer? Transfer $105. Friends, transfer $100. I have completed the transfer. Everything is now ready for us to start trading. So, we have made quite a bit of progress now. We have money in our OKX account now. Now we will look to trade. Look, there is trading below. When I clicked on trading, a small guide also popped up for me. By the way, let's translate that cake into English because we can now use English. Below is the trade section this time, friends. We have come to the trade and the trade screen appears in front of us. Look, here we can see the 15-minute, 1-hour and 4-hour charts. We are in the BTC TRE part. I will convert this to Bitcoin USDT. Why? Because I sent Tether from Binance. Friends, I wrote BTC USDT here. I opened the top part. If you want, you can also add these to your favorites. So, now, on the right, you see an order book. Those shown in red are sellers, while those shown in green are buyers. And the 58,961 in the middle is the current price of Bitcoin. There are basically 3 types of orders: friends, market, limit, and stop limit. I'm explaining the market first to make it easier. Look, the market is ordering, and here we have limit market and stop limit. The others are advanced. There are 3 in basic. Now, friends, I have come to the market. The meaning of the market is this. I have $105. I have $105 available, so I have $105 to buy Bitcoin. And while I'm at it, let me mention that the video you are currently watching is a reward video. A friend who likes the video, subscribes to our channel, and shares the tweet in the pinned comment is winning a reward from us. Now, let's continue. I have come to the market order. I have $105 available. Now let's say I will buy Bitcoin worth 33.6, which is 32% of this. When I say buy BTC, I will be making a purchase from the bottom of the sell orders on the red side. And I said buy Bitcoin. I said not to show this again, and I confirmed it. Now, when I come back to assets and look at my trading account, let's open the screen like this. Look, I have $71 in Tether and $33 in Bitcoin from my friends. We learned how to buy Bitcoin and we bought it from the market. Now, in the same logic, I will show you something different. This time, I will demonstrate a limit order. The difference is that Bitcoin is currently at 58,200 and I do not want to buy it right now. Let's say Bitcoin drops to $55,000. Look, if the price drops to $55,000, I am buying $34 worth of Bitcoin. I will place an order and look. The orders are below. I currently have 1 open order. As long as this doesn't happen, my order won't be executed unless Bitcoin drops to $55,000. The logic of my limit here is also $35. You can use this when selling as well. I currently have a little bit of Bitcoin. Let's say that Bitcoin will rise to $62,000. I want to sell the Bitcoins I have. At that time, I will say sell BTC. I will say Bitcoin. Look, 2 of my orders have been opened right now. We have learned the logic behind this. Now, I will cancel this sell. Why? Because I will quickly explain the stop limit logic now. Look, there is a logic in stop limit. What was Bitcoin normally? When I wanted to sell, I would enter a higher price. But when I wanted to buy, I would enter a lower price. But right now I have Bitcoin and I want to sell it, so I can sell it, but I will place an order from below. This means the following. Bitcoin is currently at $58,000, but let's say I have a support level at $56,000. If this support breaks, it could drop to $50,000. In that case, I want to sell Bitcoin at $54,800 when it breaks at $55,000 to minimize my loss. This is what is known as a stop loss. And I said that if it sees $55,000. I turned that market order into a limit order. Sell at $54,900. How much of it? I said sell Bitcoin. This is the logic of stop limit. It aims to reduce your losses in case of a sharp decline while you are sleeping. You can think of it this way. When I explain it in simple terms, it covers everything you need to know about buying and selling. If you want to do the same with another pair, you can perform the same transactions with Ethereum and USDT. The logic is the same. How will the withdrawal part work? I came to spot. Where is my money right now? It's in spot. I will transfer it from spot to funding. I'm clicking on transfer. And trading. Where did it say from? Where to trading? I will transfer money from my account to my funding account. I have a debt of $36.6. Let's proceed with the transfer. I have completed my transfer. And I will withdraw this. Now I pressed on Witrav above. I said Witrav crypto, and I said USDT, and I will send it on chain, that is, over crypto. I'm entering the address. This time, I will get the deposit address from Binance. You can think of it like an IBAN. I'm currently on Binance. I said deposit. I selected USDT. I chose Trunin again, and I copied the address, friends. I came to the address and pasted it here. I selected Tron as the network, and let's say you will send $30. I'm clicking on submit. When I press confirm, my friends, the money will transfer from OKX to Binance. So we've also looked at withdrawing money. That's all there is to it. Now let's move on to the campaigns. Friends, I'm opening my screen for the campaigns right away. Now, in our first campaign, you can earn a special 40 USDT trading bonus. This is valid if you registered using the link you saw at the beginning of the video, or if you click to join this event here. And here, you have joined with our referral code. Then, you need to make a deposit of $100. It will remain in our account for 7 days, and we will be trading with any amount. So, even if you trade just $10, you will earn a $40 trading bonus, friends. Thanks to the trading bonus, the $40 commission you spent actually means a magic refund. This means that no money will be lost. Additionally, they are distributing 1 billion docs. From here, it seems that we have a chance to win at least $20–30 worth of docs per person, and this is a withdrawable reward. So, what do you need to do, friends? The video description contains the link for this campaign. You need to participate in this campaign. If you have previously registered with our Monte Crypto Contus referral link, this campaign is also available. Here, we are giving $50 to each of 10 people. To qualify, you need to trade any amount of dogs, and you must register with our referral in advance, my friends. We saw the membership to OKX, how to download OKX, the identity verification, how to deposit money from Binance to OKX, and how to trade. We looked at a market order is, a limit order is, and a stock limit order is. And we talked about our 3 campaigns. The topic is broad, especially if you are new to crypto. There will be a lot you don't understand. We have already prepared a special training series for newcomers to cryptocurrency, the training series for newcomers to cryptocurrency. I am sending it as a mobile notification. It will come here, or I am not sure where. You can click on it and watch the training series. What I ask of you is this. Feel free to ask anything that comes to your mind, dear friends. When you ask, it also provides us with feedback. In the next training series, your questions will be addressed in the training video. We also read your questions in the comments. This way, the questions you have in mind are resolved. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.